Mumbai is a city of dreams, commercial capital of India. Everyone in this city is thriving to excel in his work or business. MCGM is helping you to pursue your dreams with the initiative of ease of doing business. Welcome to MCGM's portal for construction permits, a single window system for submitting your applications to get construction permits welcomes you. All the information you will need to obtain construction permits, such as related links and circulars, is just a click away on MCGM's portal. Departmental Help Manual for fire, traffic, storm water drain, sewage, hydraulic engineering are available at one place. FAQs related to different departments also can be viewed at one place. We keep you updated on this portal about details and forms under New Releases section. Dashboard showing real-time statistics, your search to know current status of proposals, online payment, consultant search, registration of developers and consultant, along with help manuals are also easily accessible. Fee calculator is available on portal for automatic calculation of various scrutiny fees and charges. After successful login, the applicant lands on his console and can see the MIS report of all the submitted proposals. Proposal-wise status of each process is also available. This gives clear timeline for each process for every proposal. Click on New Application tab for fresh application, where you have 5 touch points available. You can apply for commencement, first CC, further CC, common completion request, and occupancy cum building completion certificate. For getting commencement, the applicant to select type of proposal such as building approval, layout, or miscellaneous proposal. Common application form, which consists of all the information related project, individual, different departments needs, has to be filled up. The plot can be located on GIS map or search by providing information such as ward, village. The information in DPGIS is synchronized with CAF by selecting CTS number and clicking Verify Ownership tab. Property card mines from state government data. Documents related to your proposal can be attached with the proposal. NOCs related to sewerage, SWD, hydraulic engineering are generated automatically based on information provided via CAF. Online payment of scrutiny charges application is directly shared to all concerned departments such as CFO, Traffic, SWD, HE, CTSO, NMA, AAI, etc. Response from all the concerned departments is expected within 15 days. Then within 5 days, digitally signed IOD is issued, which can be downloaded from the console. Click on First CC tab and fill the necessary details. Within half a day, digitally signed first commencement certificate is issued, which can be downloaded through the console. Labor Department is also automatically intimated through the system. Under process number 5, requests for plinth verification and further commencement certificate can be made through the console. Concerned building proposal officials visit the site with prior communication through console, SMS, and email. Digitally signed copy of further CC can be downloaded from the console within 7 days from application. Under Common Completion Request Form, process number 6, after completion of all construction work, request for completion certificate can be made from console to all concerned departments from whom completion is mandatory. On receipt of common completion request from all the departments, the system provides specific date and time for joint site inspection. This is communicated by console, SMS, and email communication to all those who are concerned. After joint inspection, all the concerned departments submit their response through their console within 15 days of the application of the Common Completion Request Form. Application can be made through Console for Getting Occupation Building Completion Certificate tab under process number 7. On receipt of the request, concerned building proposal officials visit the site with prior communication through all defined communication channels. After site visit, digitally signed Occupation Building Completion Certificate is issued within 7 days from receipt of request. At MCGM, we are ensuring that those 8 processes of construction permits is completed in just 45 days. We understand your dreams and their importance. So we are providing you an environment which will make doing your business easier.